Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone out there is having a great day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video guys, I'm actually going to be unboxing a new subscription box on my channel by the name of LashyBox. I actually saw this subscription being unboxed by a young lady by the name of Tanya Nicole, and I found her entertaining and the box interesting, so I decided to go ahead and give this subscription box a try. Now LashyBox is a monthly lash box subscription, and I ordered the full-size LashyBox where you receive 3 to 4 pair of eyelashes and some beauty tools or beauty items each month. They do have a variety of different subscriptions, and I am looking down so I can tell you what they are. They have a LashyBox Mini, which is $9.99, and you receive 2 to 3 pair of lashes each month. It didn't say whether or not you receive the beauty items as well. They also have another box called the Drama Box, and in this box you receive 3 to 4 pair of eyelashes, and these eyelashes are really dramatic, as it says. And that's $12.99 a month. And the last one they have is a soft glam box where you receive 3 to 5 pair of lashes each month, and I believe this one said and some other items, so I'm assuming those are beauty items as well, and this one is $12.99 a month. Okay, so now with that said, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. This box came looking like this. I think it is absolutely adorable with all the little eyelashes all over the front. Just super, super cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh, okay. So inside the box, the first thing I'm pulling out is a pair of lashes, and they are called Star. These are really nice. Really nice. And these look kind of dramatic to me, so I can only imagine what the drama box looks like. But those are really pretty. As you can see, I don't have any eyelashes on, and I don't wear them often, but it's one of the things that I definitely want to play with a little bit more and become more comfortable with. I can put them on, it just takes me a really long time to get them to look the way that I want them to look, so most times I don't bother with them. But that's about to change because I really do think that they can really amp up an eye look. So I definitely want to get into lashes a little bit more, hence why I ordered the box. Now the next one we have in here is called Fairy. And these are 3D silk lashes, and it looks like they're the LashyBox brand. Those are also quite pretty. Very, very pretty. They look, I was gonna say, do they look kind of similar? Okay, these are not quite as long and fluttery as Star. So you can see the two side by side. All right, continuing on. Oh, there's 2 more pair of lashes in here. The next one is premium silk lashes from Cass Cosmetics. And those are very pretty. They look kind of different lengths and a little wispy. I think they're very pretty. And on the box it says premium silk, it says premium synthetic silk fibers. Okay, these are very, very pretty. I really like those. And the last pair of lashes in this box is from Gale Cosmetics. And these are definitely long and flirty looking. These are very nice as well. Great. I really like these as well. Now, I'm going to have to get used to having something that long on my eye, but I think they're very, very pretty and look so flirty and fun. Time for me to step outside of my comfort zone, so let's do it. Now, there's a couple more items in the box outside of the lashes, and I am pulling out 2 pressed shadows from Suva Beauty, and I've actually tried Suva Beauty before, and their things are pretty good. Both colors are very pretty. Let me go ahead and open them up so I can tell you what the colors are and give you a quick swatch so you can see how they look. Okay, this first color is in Madrid, and this is what it looks like without the plastic on it. Let's go ahead and give that a quick swatch. It feels very satiny. I like that. It feels really good. And this would be like a great maybe transition color. Can you see that? Look at that. Huh. I could actually even use it to deepen the crease depending on what color transition color I use. If I want to use a lighter transition and use this to deepen the crease a little bit. But that is a very pretty color, and it feels really nice and smooth and swatched really nicely. Okay, so the next color that we have is called Hookah. All right, let's take Hookah out of the package. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous reddish burgundy. I love that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful color. Definitely very fallish. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that. Again, it feels really good, really soft and silky when swatched. And we'll go ahead and throw that right there. Look at that. Look at that. Swatch really nicely. That's some really good pigment in that shadow. Beautiful, beautiful color. Okay. I really like both of these shadows that they put in the box this month. Okay. So the last thing that is inside of the box is a cute little 3-piece brush set from Ruby Max. These look like they're more travel size and would be great to like throw in your little makeup bag or something like that. Very pretty pink brushes though. Just drop that one. Let me go ahead and pull them out. These are very, very cute. Very pretty eye brushes. And they feel really soft. Great. Definitely give these a try. I just love them more so because they're pink. And I just think they're adorable. So, there you go. Okay guys, so that was everything that we got in this month's LashyBox. And for $13.99, I think that was a nice amount of stuff. We got 4 pair of lashes. I'll go ahead and show you those again real quick. We got the 2 eyeshadows from Suva Beauty. And then we got a 3-piece brush set. So for $13.99, I think this is a really good box. Now, I did pay shipping on this. I believe the shipping was like $2.65 or something of that sort. But I still think it was definitely worth it. And like I said, if you're someone who's into eyelashes or someone who's looking to get into eyelashes, I think it's a great box. It's a great deal. It's definitely a very good box to try out different types of eyelashes if you're into that type of thing. But anyway, guys, that's all that I have today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today, as always. And I don't know when this video is going to go up. I'm believing that I will have it up by Thanksgiving. So I want to wish you and your family a very happy and safe Thanksgiving. I hope that you all enjoy the time with your family and friends. And like I said, that's it for today, guys. If you like, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like. I would appreciate it. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.